अब आते हैं हमारी इस कहानी के नायिका की ओर। पिछले मैच में तो उनको बल्लेबाजी का मौका नहीं मिला, इस मैच में उप कप्तान नहीं थी ऑस्ट्रेलिया की, तो इनको ओपन करने को कहा गया। फिर देख रही हैं कि एक बल्लेबाज जिन्होंने डक ही नहीं स्कोर किया 40 ओडीआईज में, वो वे डक पे आउट होती हैं। फिर देखती हैं कि उनके कप्तान दो मेडन ओवर्स खेलने के बाद फुल शॉट पे आउट होती हैं, फिर और दो विकेट्स गिरते हुए देखती हैं, और फिर उनका जलवा दिखाना शुरू करते हैं। यश, बेथ मूनी के बारे में क्या कहेंगे आप?
मेरे हिसाब से बेथ मूनी काफी हॉन्ट करेगी क्योंकि T20 वर्ल्ड कप की भी वो प्लेयर ऑफ द टूर्नामेंट थी। तभी भी आउट नहीं हुई थी इंडिया से फाइनल्स में। पहले मैच में खेली नहीं, आज फिर से आउट नहीं हुई इंडिया से। सो उनका जो एक स्ट्रीक है, उनका एक अलग ही स्ट्रीक चल रहा है कि हाँ, मुझे इंडिया से आउट नहीं होना है। अगर वहां से भी देखा, वहां पे भी आउट नहीं हुई। हीली ने मार मार के आउट आउट हो गई थी हीली आखिरी में, लेकिन यहाँ वो उस वक्त भी नहीं हुई थी, आज भी नहीं हुई। काफी अंडररेटेड प्लेयर है, लेकिन वो हिंदी में बोलते हैं सुमड़ी में आके काम करके निकल जाती है। तो मेरे हिसाब से वो वैसी प्लेयर है। नोबडी स्पीक्स वेरी हाईली ऑफ हर, similar to Haynes. People just talk about, say, the Lannon, Perrys of the world, Healy's of the world. I always have felt that Mooney always comes, does her job, which is expected of her. There is a lot of shuffle in her batting order itself. 2017 के वर्ल्ड कप में देखा, मूनी यूज्ड टू ओपन, उसके बाद में से हीली को ओपन करवाया, इनको नंबर 5 पे खिलवाया। T20 ओपन करती है, लेकिन वनडे में उनको नंबर 5 पे खिलवाया। अभी फिर से आज उनको एक चांस मौका मिला था कि हाँ, हेन्स इंजर्ड है तो आप ओपन करेंगे, और जैसे ही उनको ओपनिंग का मौका मिला, 50 overs, like to be at any ground, I'm saying heat, no heat, anything, first to field 50 overs and then to bat 50 overs, I don't think so it's like very possible. She did that, and that is something that stood out. Like, I know that she won the game, she was there till the end, everything, but to be there for those 100 overs with that same intensity. अगर हमने देखा तो उन्होंने सिंगल्स डबल्स ज्यादा लिए हैं। ऐसा नहीं कि वो ग्राउंड क्लियर करने का ट्राई कर रही है या कंटिन्यूअस फोर से सिक्सेस का ट्राई कर रही है, वैसा कुछ भी नहीं था। शी वाज सिंपली ट्राइंग टू बी देयर. That intent was very much visible, and if you've seen, her strike rate was always between 85 90, that range of strike rate. She was never trying, she never had too many dot balls to put pressure on her and her team was nowhere there. Their run rates were continuously increasing, but she was still there, with a calm head, first with Magra, then with Carey, and she finished the match. Simply superb from Beth Mooney.
Yeah, the story of Beth Mooney's transformation has really been a tremendous one. 2.5 years ago, there were question marks about her being fit for a T20 game, Ananya. But from there to kind of field for 50 overs, as Yash mentioned, and then bat, take the run chase, take Australia home, and keep that streak alive. I think Mooney has really come a long way, isn't it?
She's come a very, very long way and kind of cemented herself as one of Australia's pillars of that lineup. I mean, she's been part of every single game in that 26 match streak. So that says something about her. None of Lanning or Perry have been, but I mean, Beth Mooney has been a crucial part of that Australian lineup, and she proves it, you know, whenever she gets the opportunity, whether it's batting in a T20 or whether it's finishing a one-day game. And you know, just to extend on what Yash said, I think, you know, just like he said, the fact that she was on the field for 100 overs, I mean, speaks volumes of her fitness. She was fielding on the boundary, you know, saved a lot of runs on the boundary. And also just the fact that she was motoring between the wickets even in the last over. I think that was extraordinary. She wasn't looking for the boundary. And I think what really showed I think the level of fitness kind of showed in her game awareness. Even after Nicola Carey got caught by Astika Bhatia, she made sure that she sent Nicola Carey back into the crease and said, hey, we don't know what's happening, so just go back because we're not sure. So just that game awareness, and that you only have that one when you have the experience, but also when you're very fit and you're still, you know, in the situation, you're present there. And you know, we've seen Beth Mooney kind of do this through the WBBL. She kind of always does it in big games. and you know, in her home state, she was definitely not going to allow India to get over the line.